When transporting a vehicle as iconic and valuable as the Tesla Cybertruck, there's no room for error. Every step, from preparation to securing the load, requires precision, experience, and the right team. That's why choosing a trusted logistics partner is essential. Whether it's a Cybertruck, a luxury sports car, or heavy machinery, every shipment represents a significant investment. Damage during loading or transit can lead to costly repairs, delivery delays, and stress you simply shouldn't have to deal with. At AllCargo, we understand that what we ship is more than just a vehicle. It's your asset, your business, and sometimes even your dream. That's why our priority is safety and care at every stage of the process. The process starts long before the wheels touch the ramp. Every successful shipment begins with preparation, site inspection, ensuring the loading area is stable and secure. Equipment check, ramps, winches, straps, and all safety tools are tested and ready. Vehicle assessment, identifying the vehicle's weight distribution, clearance, and special handling needs. The Tesla Cybertruck is no ordinary vehicle. With its futuristic design, heavy build, and unique angles, it demands special attention. Any small miscalculation can result in undercarriage damage, scraping the body, or straining suspension components. This is why experience matters. Precision is key when aligning the vehicle with the loading platform. Even a few centimeters off can make the difference between a smooth load and an accident. Our team works together, communicating in real time, ensuring the Cybertruck is guided perfectly onto the ramp. There's no rushing this process. We take our time because speed is never a substitute for safety. As the Cybertruck moves onto the ramp, our operators watch every angle, ground clearance, tire positioning, and alignment with the trailer bed. This is a critical moment. If the incline is too steep, the underbody could scrape. If the tire placement is uneven, the vehicle could tilt or slip. Every movement is slow and calculated, with spotters guiding the driver at every step. We don't leave anything to chance. Once the Cybertruck is in position, securing it properly is just as important as loading it safely. We use heavy-duty straps designed specifically for high-value vehicles. Each tire is individually secured, and we avoid applying pressure to sensitive areas like suspension components or body panels. Our team double-checks every connection before giving the all-clear. This step can make or break a successful transport. Poorly secured vehicles can shift during transit, leading to interior damage, paint scratches, or even dangerous movement on highways. Before the journey begins, we perform a final inspection, checking every strap's tension, verifying tire positions, ensuring there's no risk of movement during transport. This is what separates an amateur job from professional logistics. With AllCargo, we know that our clients trust us with more than just vehicles. They trust us with their peace of mind. That's why we treat every load, whether it's a Cybertruck, a Rolls-Royce, or construction equipment, with the same level of care and precision. A smooth loading process sets the foundation for a safe journey.